Training Lab model ATS20 transmitter. This transmitter is a variable PLL synthesized source with frequency starting from 5 MHz to 2000 MHz or 2 GHz. The minimum step size available in PLL synthesized transformer is 50 kHz and maximum step size is 100 MHz, which are selectable. The RF output from 87 to 898 MHz is available at this RF output using SMA connector, and using up converter 899 to 2000 MHz output is available in this block. The LED indicates that the output is available at this block. Similarly, 5 MHz to 86 MHz output is available at down converter block at this output. It has 5 controls: up, down, escape menu and enter for selecting the frequency, step size and memory. The modulating block consists of FM-CW switch, where keeping the toggle switch in FM position, one can select 1 kHz test tone or mic input and vary the FM deviation using a pot, or can feed an external modulating input at this BNC using any function generator. Normally the measurements of antenna are carried out in CW mode, so we will keep this switch in CW mode, and while transferring the test tone we can keep this mic 1 kHz switch to down, that is at 1 kHz, and we can keep the FM deviation to adjustable level so that we can hear a clear test tone at the received output. Now, as you can see, it consists of 3 blocks: down converter, up converter and main block, that is RF output 87 to 898 MHz. The respective LED indicates that that particular block is working. For instance, if we see the display, it reads FREQ, which stands for frequency. Now it shows 1500.00 MHz, that is, it is 1.5 GHz, and the frequency is true to less than 10 kHz because the frequency generated is all PLL synthesized. 0001 indicates the memory location. It has 1000 memory locations, so one can store their usable frequencies in 1000 memory locations and they can retrieve or recall them as and when required. M stands for manual or automatic mode, that is, it can be synchronized with the receiver using triggered output so that both transmitter and receiver frequency changes with respect to the desired or the selected step size. S stands for step size. Here S is equal to 10 MHz, that means a 10 MHz step size is selected, so that if we press up key, the frequency will change in 10 MHz step. As you can see, it is 1520, 1530, and pressing the down key will change the frequency again to 1500 MHz. Now as you can see, until the frequency is in the range of 899 to 2000 MHz, the up converter LED will glow and the output is available at this point. Now as you can see, if we change the step size, say 100 MHz, and if we change the frequency, the step size is changing in, as you can see, 100 MHz. Suppose we want the output at 1200 MHz, then we have to connect RF out here to this input so that the output is available at up converter output. And because this LED is glowing, because we have selected frequencies in the range of 899 to 2000 MHz. Similarly, if we come down to frequency say 800 megahertz, then this block's LED is glowing, that is 887 to 898 megahertz. So a tripod with an antenna can be connected at this RF output. Similarly, if we change the step size and bring the frequency in the range of 5 to 86 megahertz, as we can see, then this block is working, which is down converter, and the output is available at this output, and again we connect RF out to input, and this output can be connected to antenna. So basically, using up converters and down converters, the frequency range is available from 5 megahertz to 2000 megahertz, and pressing the menu once will allow the memories to blink, and they can be selected by pressing the enter key. Once again the display blinks and the selected or the blinking display is selected. Similarly, there is an auto mode. Now when we select the auto mode, as you can see, the step size selected was 100 megahertz, which is again displayed. So frequency is changing in steps of 100 megahertz, and the triggered output is available at out. When a LED is glowing, a display is glowing or blinking, we cannot change the frequency normally. So always ensure that while operating the system, this has to be in M or manual mode.